Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm finally going to make crispy pork, which in Thai we call หมูกรอบ If you are going to internet, you're going to find a lot of different methods of create crispy pork. But today I got one better, just going to roast it and fry only 10 minutes. And it's going to come out even better and faster. Totally time is not over 1 hour. So first thing you need to prepare is the pork belly with skin is will perfect. But here in Italy doesn't have, so today I'm gonna use the pork belly without skin. But when you cook, it's better to have pork belly with skin. And then do the same thing as method for today. But surely that you will get crispy pork. Then we need to make hole on the skin of pork. This one is important because it's going to break down the skin and allow it to puff into those little crispy, and you don't want to do deep because the juice from the pork will flow out when you roast it. And then if you have got sharp knife at home, that is great. I'm just going to make some string lines across. This time is not too deep because we just want on the just only surface a little bit. Then do again for the vertical line. Then we need two ingredients is vinegar and salt. The vinegar is help us for make the crispy on the skin of pork. We need to put on the skin and then make it cover around the surface and around the pork. And you don't worry about the sour from the vinegar because after you bake it, the vinegar will disappear. We are going to get some salt onto our pork skin. So the salt gonna do two things. Gonna add some flavor, but it's also going to help draw the moisture out of the pork. Then the skin crispy. And after this we need to put in the oven. We use 220 Celsius with the 25 to 35 minutes. Depend on the skin color, we need to make skin color like a brown. Now it's ready because the skin is look like brown, and then we need to put in the refrigerator immediately for about 30 minutes. This one after refrigerator we need to fry a little bit for 10 minutes.